Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone battery drain on iOS 26. And all of us are getting our battery annihilated, and that's why I have my charging cable right now. But I just managed to fix it, and there's a few things you can do. First of all, hit the like button. The second thing you want to do is go over to your settings. From there, you want to go down to General right here. When you're in General, you want to click on Background App, refresh right here. And here, you want to make sure that if you have like serious issues with your battery, just have it off. If not, just keep it on. And if you have issues when you're outside, just keep it on Wi-Fi. Then you want to go ahead and remove some of these settings. For example, AdSense, I don't need background app. Refresh Outdoor, I don't need that. Authenticator, I might need that. And then you have Google Maps, I don't need that. So you can just switch on and off. Google Translate, why would I need that? Grok, Hotcoin, I don't need that. All right, so you have a lot of apps that you don't really need background app refresh right now. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and pause a lot of them to save my battery. And here's a lot of them. I think a lot of them are already ready. Perfect. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your privacy settings, which are, if we go back, there should be somewhere around here. Privacy and security, and here you want to start with the location services. So here you want to click off some of the location services like maps running, especially if they're on always. You don't want to have them on always. And then you want to click on system services and you want to close off some of them, especially the product improvements right here. You want to have all of these off. The next thing you want to do is go back and you want to click on battery. And here you want to make sure that you have, you can see which apps are using the most battery, and then you can go to background app refresh and set them off. You want to click on battery health. Optimize the peak performance capability. You want to click on low power mode, obviously if you have like too much issues. Then you want to go to mail, so apps. Here you want to go to mail. Here you want to click on mail accounts, and here you want to click on fetch new data, and you want to make sure this is off. This is off. If you have like serious issues with your battery, you want to have it off. And that's basically all you have to do to fix your battery drain with iOS 26. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you're new, subscribe. See you next one.